Today I Grew Up live action and reviews. ChuChu TV. Instant Replay. Instant Replay. Fizzy Fun Toys. Playzone. Playzone. Kelli Maple. Fun Toys Collector Disney Toys Review. Twin Toys. Toy Genie Surprises. Biggs vs Lilz Toy Review. Biggs vs Lilz Toy Review is a source for honest toy reviews on YouTube. Kyle's Toys and Games. Kimiko's Playtime. Ren's Amazing Toys. Ren makes videos about toys like Transformers, Tobots, Lego, Creo, Hot Wheels, Bandai, Disney, and fast food toys from McDonald's, Jollibee, and other cool stuff. Ren is also diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder (ASD). ToyLabTV. Sandaroo Kids. Naiah and Elli Toys Show. Princess Toys Review. Blue Toys Club Surprise. Titi Toys and Dolls. Splat Kids TV. Splat Kids TV is a toy review and family fun children's YouTube channel. Their toys feature blind bags, surprise toys reviews, family attractions, and more. TwoSistersToyStyle. Tommy's Toys. Tommy's Toys is a family-friendly YouTube channel that shows Tommy playing with assorted toys, such as opening a Kinder Joy surprise. Blippi. Izzy's Toy Time. Toys and Me. Everleigh opens toys. Ryan Toys Review. EvanTubeHD. JillianTubeHD. CKN Toys. ellieV Toys. Tic Tac Toy. CookieSwirlC. Playtime with Ayden. Ayden and his family are YouTubers who share vlog adventures, toy reviews, and awesome 3D animations.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.